Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Google Tag Not Found error in Google Tag Manager preview mode. Let's get started. First, make sure you have set up Google Tag Manager GTM correctly. Ensure that the container is installed on your website. Now, enter preview mode in GTM by clicking the preview button in the upper right corner of your GTM dashboard. Once the preview mode is activated, navigate to the page where the tag is supposed to fire. If you see the tag not found error, it might be due to incorrect triggers or missing tags. Double check your tag configuration in GTM to ensure it's set to fire on the correct pages or actions. Also, make sure that the container code is properly implemented on your website's pages. Lastly, try refreshing the preview mode or clearing your browser cache to make sure you're seeing the most recent updates. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.